Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're ever seeing my face, my name is Millie. So I wanted to film another video, but I'm not just going to come on here and act like nothing is going on. Guys, we all know about the COVID-19, the coronavirus that has been spreading like wildfire. I mean, it's been a global situation. I mean, it's just been so big. A lot of lives have been lost. A lot of people have died as a result of this. Please, I urge you, wherever you're watching this from, make sure you take precautions, make sure you take preventive measures, wash your hands often, practice social distancing as much as possible, and just try and stay safe. Okay, so some organizations have reached out to some creators and the sewing community. They've urged us to make some DIY masks for people because in some countries the masks have been sold out, and in other countries the masks are so expensive, and it's just really sad. Most people don't even have access to this mask. So check my description box for some informations that you need. So if you want a visual representation of a diagrammic tutorial, I'm going to put a link in my description box below. You're not going to pay any money. It's totally free. Just click on the link. You can learn how to sew this mask by yourself. You can send it out to health centers around your community. Just lend a helping hand as much as you can. So without wasting so much of your time, let's get right into the video. What you're going to be needing, you're going to measure out from the bridge of your nose. You're going to measure out from the bridge of your nose down to your chin, and mine is just, I don't know if you can see, mine is 6. Then you're going to measure your ear to your ear, and mine is 12. So I'm going to take that and just cut it on a fabric just to speed up this video a little bit. Don't worry, I'm going to show you step by step how to make this mask for yourself, for your loved ones, and for anyone you would want to gift this mask to. I mean, we are being quarantined, so as much as we can choose to make this time productive by making this mask. I mean, you can do it at the comfort of your home. Even without a sewing machine, you can literally make this mask. It's very simple. I'm probably going to show you guys 2 ways of making it, or I'm going to show you 1 way. And depending on if you find this simple enough, I'll probably do a part 2 of it. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So guys, remember the measurement I took from the bridge of my nose to my chin? I'm just going to mark that on the fabric which I cut. And whatever you do, make sure you leave a 2 inches for seam allowance. Now you're going to need 2 of this fabric for the front bit and for your lining bit. Guys, remember this is a reusable mask, so you're going to hem 4 sides of your fabric to avoid this from fraying. Guys, you're going to be pinching 2 inches of your fabrics, as you can see me do. Before sewing, just make sure you pinch it down, or you can iron it down. I ironed mine, to make my work a little bit easier.
Looking like it was a dead end. Oh, if I catch you, you're dead end. Don't play me like no PlayStation. Ain't no TV station.
So guys, I'm just trimming the lining off. That's the parts that will go in at the back. You can decide to use a different fabric, but I just wanted to use the same fabric to make everything even. After that, just go back and repeat the same process by hemming the 4 edges of the fabric, and when you're done, place it on the other front bit, right sides kissing, and sew them together.
Baby, just admit it. You will play me like a violin. Why, why you do me wrong? Baby, just admit it. You will play me like a violin. You must think that I'm stupid. Taking all of your...
Guys, I'm just going in with some elastics to attach to my nose mask. You want to make this elastic as small as possible so it can be snug on your ears. As you can see, I'm just going in with my thread and needle, and I'm going to be attaching the elastic to the nose mask.
Now I gave you my heart, play me for
first rodeo, giving me quite a show, and just like that.
So we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you have watched it up until this point, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please click the subscribe button, press the bell sign so you never get to miss any video from here on out, and you'll be the first to get notified whenever I post a new video. Guys, please, I'm begging, stay safe, stay hydrated, cover your nose, use your nose mask, use your sanitizers, your hand sanitizers, use your hand gloves. Please stay safe. Coronavirus is no jokes, and I think everybody should be aware of it by now. And if you don't have any awareness of it, you've been living under a rock. Please stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.